Hello friends, in today's video I got one very good hair care product and it is Godrej Professional KeraCare Macadamia Oil. It is formulated with macadamia oil as its key ingredient. The texture of this oil is very thick but very lightweight and non-greasy, easily absorbed by hair without leaving a heavy or oily residue. Macadamia oil is known for its nourishing and moisturizing properties, designed to provide deep hydration, protect hair health, and improve the overall condition and appearance of the hair. It helps to restore moisture, reduce frizz, and add shine to your dry, damaged, and unruly hair. Additionally, it can help to strengthen the hair, prevent breakage, and protect against environmental damage. Friends, this oil is commonly used as a treatment or styling product to enhance the manageability and softness of your hair.